All right, hello. So I had a discussion about something else where we want to actually add to the user agent when we uh, make calls from the let's see, is this where it is? Fetch, yeah, fetch override from the thingy. I don't have a better. Let's see. I'm wondering if. Oh. Yeah, we want to extend to the user agent so that we know which version of the SDK that is being that's calling the API. So that's, and then we have cluster client. So that would be here, I guess. No, fetch override. Yeah, it's basically those. Oh no, we even have it here and here. Like we have so many of them. Fetch override. Oh, interesting. That's different. Oh yeah, we're gonna actually. Oh, interesting. Why is that? Oh, dag nugget. So here we also have fetch. Oh, was that because I did fetch override? Fetch override? No, that's interesting. But this is not good, right? We're adding this manually, all these different places. I feel like this thing should be. Yeah, you know what? We need to move this stuff into its own thing. It just, I feel like it's just piling on here with different things. And it's kind of annoying. So we should not export this. Not this. Oh, this isn't actually being used. Export function, create API client. And then that's going to be this thing. And then we're rather going to pass in specific options for this. So options here would be, I think base URL is actually coming from base URL. Oh, it's coming from constants. Oh, okay. No. No. Wait, why? Import base URL from. Wait, constants? Where was that from? Oh, it's from there. Okay, sorry. But where's that coming from then? Yeah, I think we should rather do this. Yeah, let's move this away. Oh, sorry. Let's just move this sorry, into utils. And then we'll do constants, API key. Shouldn't API key also be here? Oh. Let's see. We had, okay, API key. Okay, so we do have feature manager URL. Oh yeah, we don't, okay. Yeah, we can do the manager URL string. Or is it cluster? Yeah, let's just do cluster. Yeah, and then we're gonna return the client there. Okay, great. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean this up. So this, oh, by the way, we have to make sure that we actually, so base here, fetch override. Yes, exactly. So now we're gonna do, yes, create client. And here we are gonna pass in the cluster. Yes, exactly. And again, no. Oh yeah, and then we have, sorry, wait, what happened here? Oh, come on, create client cluster. Wait a minute, what happened here? No, what? Cluster. Oh, and then this, this is weird, because, wait, cluster API client? What's happening here? Oh, this is what's happening. That's weird. Create API client. But why are we passing this into new CodeSandbox? Shouldn't this be... Oh, it is... Oh my God. But I don't think... Oh, this is so annoying. Getting these small, like, can we just do this? And it's just... I have to refactor a bunch of stuff. Get API key. But this is like base URL headers. But this is now wrong, right? Because now we're passing... I guess this has to be the actual options of client options. But these client options, why are they so... Type of fetch? Yeah, why is that wrong? Why is the override wrong for that one? Oh. Yeah, I think this should rather be... Why don't we just use the... Let's see. We shouldn't use client ops there. We should use... I'm in a bad mood today. I'm in a really bad mood. Options. Client. Where's the create client? Create client. Config. Yeah, this is the thing we want. Yeah. So we just want config here. Config. Yes, and then when we want the same here. We want the config. Config. And then let's see. Config. Well, I guess except headers. Headers should be config.headers. Can I do this? Yeah. I'm not sure if headers init. This is such a weird. What's headers init? Oh, for fuck's sake. But we can't take, like, if this is a headers init object, then it's gonna fail. Yeah, exactly. That doesn't work. So I have to check the type of those headers, and it's just all a fucking mess. Ugh. Okay, let's do it a little bit differently. So we're gonna have client ops, but we're gonna actually config fetch base URL and then headers. So we're gonna use client ops. Client ops. And then we're just gonna create the API client. Client ops. Oh, wait, what do we call it? Ops. Yes. Oh, interesting. Wait. Base URL. Why is this different? CSB base URL, but isn't that what we're getting from the constants? CSB. Wait, there's two different. Come on. Get base URL. What is this? But now we have a different, oh, for fuck's sake, now there's a different token, right? So the way we evaluate the API token here is different than from the other one? CSB API key. So the SDK, but what about building templates? Shouldn't you also be able to do that with a together API key? I don't understand this. So get API key grabs the CSB API key. It doesn't grab that together API key. I am very confused. Why do we have this? Oh my god, I'm in such a horrible mood. I'm not sure why. What are we gonna do about this? So I don't understand why we have this stuff. So I guess we want this to be. Does that mean we have to do this? So what this means is that we're going to go and grab the API key, which is the default CSB API key. But if we explicitly pass it, but I don't understand this. I have to ask about this. I just found something. This is only added when you do new CodeSandbox, not when building templates. Why? You know what? I'm in such an incredibly shitty mood. I'm not sure why. I didn't have. Our youngest woke up a bit early today. I don't feel that good. I think I feel a little bit overwhelmed. And probably 1,000 other factors. But I'm gonna drop out of the stream and try to recover. And then we can speak tomorrow. Bye.